bang nararamdaman mo ngayon, honey?
I am sobrang mixed po yung emotions ko at the moment po. Siyempre, I'm a little sad, I'm a little disappointed na I'm not a housemate anymore. Pero daming akong natutunan po as my time sa camp, sa house. So, I'm over the moon talaga. I'm so happy. I'm really happy.
Isa ka talaga sa talagang tumatak sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. At ang layo rin ng narating mo sa loob ng bahay from camp. Tumawid ka sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Pero during yung mga tasks na mga pinagdaanan mo, yung mga hardships mo sa loob ng camp at ng bahay, sino ba yung tumatakbong inspirasyon sa isip mo, sa damdamin mo, yung mga panahon na yun?
Yung tao nung tumatakbo talaga sa isip ko the whole time was my mom. Why my mom? Kasi po, her life was not easy. She had such a hard time being a Filipina in a foreign country. Just all the stereotypes that people think about all that sensitive subject. Ayoko na sabihin na lahat, pero I know what she's been through. And I know how hard of a time she's had in her life. And she went through all of that just for me. So, as my time as a Star Dreamer, as a housemate, I wanted to make sure na all the hardships I've been through, going through during then, was for her as well. To make her proud.
For sure, proud na proud sa iyo, mom mo, sa mga na-achieve mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Pero speaking of achievements, ano ba yung mga madadala mo galing sa loob ng bahay dito sa outside world? Mga natutunan mo?
I think what I learned, or the most valuable lesson I've learned so far, was that kahit po gusto mong, even if gusto mong lulabas ng lahat ng totoong sarili mo, everything you want to speak the truth, you want to speak your mind, you want to let it all out, you should. And it's your right. Pero you have to be wise about it. You can't just spit anything and expect na walang consequences, walang nangyari kasi totoo naman to. Hindi, kailangan mong isipin talaga before you speak.
Yes. Sino namang tumatak na housemate para sa'yo? Yeah, yung pinaka naging malapit sa'yo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Alam ko po na he's not the person na I spent the most time with, pero si Kim po talaga.
Si Kim, actually, napansin nga namin na very close kayo, especially yung task nyo during the yo-yo. Nagiging emotional ngayon si Honey. Ayan. Bakit ka nagiging emotional nung nabanggit natin si Kim?
Nung final moments ko sa bahay, I never really said everything I wanted to say. Kasi I know it was a possibility na ako na yung na-evict. Pero he didn't think so. At he was like, oh mamaya, after the eviction we'll talk more. And I never really got to say what I had on my mind going on during that time. We had so many projects we were thinking of that we wanted to finish. Everything na lahat po. I just wish we had a better goodbye. Kasi
for sure, mas marami pa kayong pagsasamahan dito sa labas ng bahay ni Kuya. Pero marami nga humanga sa'yo kung paano ka nagpakatotoo. Meron ba mga bagay ka na pinagsisiyan sa loob ng bahay?
Regrets.
Yeah, mga regrets mo. Na sana hindi mo ginawa.
Sa totoo po, my only regret na I can remember is nung mga first weeks ko po sa camp, I was a person with a shield. Na parang I had a bubble around me at ayokong lumabas ng totoong sarili ko kasi akala ko, what are the people on the outside gonna think? What are my parents gonna think? Puro naisip ko lang na sa labas. Yeah, na what are these people gonna say? What is that? What's gonna happen? Pero I tore that shield down. I bursted the bubble. Kasi I'm in a place where tens of thousands of people want to be.
Yeah.
And I have to make the most of the moments.
Yeah, actually, once in a lifetime tong experience mo na maging housemate ni Kuya. At nakita naman natin yung effort mo na pagpapakatotoo sa loob ng bahay dahil mas nakilala ka namin nang napanood ka namin sa bahay ni Kuya. At ngayon, syempre, naging emotional ka nga nung natanong ka namin patungkol sa mga housemates. Ano bang gusto mong sabihin sa kanila ngayon kung nakikinig sila?
If they're listening right now, if they're listening po sa lahat po sila, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much sa lahat kasi it's not just the housemates that are currently in the house right now, pero lahat po sila, yung mga Star Dreamers, yung mga ex-housemates, yung mga ex-Star Dreamers that never got to be housemates. I'm talking to you, Patrick. Thank you all so much. Thank you for everything. And it's not over yet. We still have to keep pushing. We still have to keep fighting. Laban lang.
Yes, totoo yan. Ngayon, nabanggit mo kanina na hindi kayo nagkaroon ng magandang goodbye ni Kim. Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon, anong gusto mong sabihin sa kaibigan mo si Kim?
Kim, I really wanna just let you know na parang ikaw ako yung kambal mo talaga, hindi si Kim. Feeling ko na there's a weird connection between me and you. I don't know. It's just one look na we get each other right away. I just wanna say, I'm gonna miss you so much. At alam ko na you're gonna fight. Pero stay cool, man. Keep your head cool. Don't get overworked. Don't get overstressed. I know you have your ups and your downs, pero always be you, man. I love you, bro.
Ayan. Nakita rin namin yung pagiging close mo sa yung mga mga Star Dreamers nung nasa camp ka. Kahit nung tumawid ka sa bahay ni Kuya. Isa na nga doon si Chantel. Kung makakausap mo si Chantel ngayon, anong mensahe mo sa kanya?
If there's one thing I can tell Chantel right now is that I always tell her this, pero I mean it now the most, na you're a lot stronger and you're a lot braver than I thought you were. Talaga po, kasi you know, she knows everything. You know everything, Chantel. I don't have to say it all over and over again, pero yun na nga. Just be yourself always. Just be true always and always keep fighting, no matter how hard it gets.
Ayan. Thank you, honey. Nako, for sure, mamimiss ka ni Kim, ni Chantel, at ng buong housemates, pati ng mga Star Dreamers na nakasama mo nun sa camp. Mamimiss ka nila. At syempre, hindi matatapos dito ang pagkakaibigan nyo. Paglabas nila, syempre, makakabanding mo sila, mas makikilala mo pa sila. At syempre, mas marami pang opportunities na darating sa'yo. Ayan, maraming salamat, honey.
Thank you.
At congratulations.
Thank
dahil sa mga na-achieve mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Ayan, makakapanayan pa natin si Honey sa mga susunod na araw dito sa Pinoy Big Brother Bring It On. Thank you, Honey. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.